Hello learners, now we have question number 3 of exercise 1.3. Okay, and the question is find the product using suitable properties. We have to find the product using suitable properties. So before starting the question, you can see that I have written all the properties that I have explained to you. Okay, so first is A into B equals to B into A, that is commutative law. Second is A into B into C. Here B and C are grouped together, and A into B into C. Okay, that is associative law. Next one is A into B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C, or you can mark minus sign here. Okay, plus sign or minus sign, here also plus sign or minus sign. So here you can see that this one is distributive law. Now we have this, you can see that 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36 is there. So we have to recognize that which property we can use here. Okay, you can see that A into B is there is no use of it. Then here A into B into C, it means groups are there, so there is no need of group here also. And third property, you can see that A into B plus C is not there, but right hand side you can see that A into B plus A into C. Okay, so for this property, firstly you have to arrange these numbers. Okay, here you can write it as minus 48 into 26 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Okay, now we can consider this as distributive law as A into B plus A into C. Here also you can see that A into B plus A into C. Okay, where A equals to minus 48, B 26 and C equals to minus 36. Okay, here you can see that on this side we have A into B plus C, so we can write this as A into B plus C. Okay, so the given equation, this given equation is in the form of distributive law. This equation is in the form of distributive law, and distributive law is what? A into B plus A into C equals to A into B plus C. Okay, so this part is given, we are writing this part now, that is A into B plus C. So A is minus 48 multiplied by B is, so A is minus 48, B is 26 plus C is minus 36. So we have to put bracket here also. Okay, now minus 48 into 26, plus minus is minus. Okay, and minus 48 into 36 minus 26 is minus 10, and 48 into 10 is 480, minus minus is plus. So here we have the answer, that is 480. Now we have B part, that is 15 into minus 25 into minus 4 into minus 10. Okay, here we have to change order again, as you can see that 4 integers are there and we have only one property where 4 integers are required. Okay, but here we don't have A as common. Okay, here we don't have A as common, so for simplifying it, we can change the order of multiplying. We can keep this 15 as it is, and firstly we are going to multiply this 25 and 4. So 25 into 4 is what? Yes, it's 100. okay, and minus minus is what? Plus. So I'm writing here plus 100 and then minus 10 as it is. Okay, again no need to solve this 15. Firstly we will multiply this 110 as it simplify our solution. Okay, so 100 into 10 is what? 1000. Okay, and plus minus is minus. Now 15 into 1000 is simply 15,000. Okay, and again plus minus is minus, so minus 15,000 is the answer. Here students, you can see that just by grouping together the integers, you can see that we don't have to solve. It means multiplying 15, then 25, then answer of that by 4, then answer of that by minus 10. Okay, we can simply see that which integers we should multiply first to simplify our solution, or you can say that question. Okay, now we have C part, that is minus 17 into minus 29. So minus 17 into minus 29, here you can see that there is no property like this. Okay, or you can do like by changing the order, that is commutative law, 17 into 29 or 29 into 17. Okay, but we can use other property. Okay, so the given equation is not in the form, you can say not in any form, so we can write it as minus 17 as it is into minus 29, we can write it as minus 30 plus 1. Okay, that is minus plus is minus and 30 minus 1 is 29. Bigger number is having minus sign, so minus sign we are putting here also. Okay, so we can write it like this. Now you can see the given equation is in the form of distributive law. Okay, what is distributive law? A into B plus C equals to A into B plus A into C. Okay, so here A is minus 17, B is minus 30 and C is 1. So now we can write it as A into B plus A into C. Okay, so A means minus 17 into B is minus 30. Okay, plus sign is there, that's why plus sign here also. Again A is there, so A is minus 17 and C is 1. Minus 17 into minus 30, so 17 into 30 you don't have to do, you can do directly like 17 into 3, and 17 into 3 is what? 17 3s are 51 and 0 we can put at last. Minus minus is plus. Now 17 ones are 17 and minus plus is minus. Okay, plus 510 plus minus is minus, and 510 minus 17 is what? 493, and bigger number is having plus sign, that's why in answer also plus sign we have to put here. Okay, this is your answer. Now we have D part as 7 into 50 minus 2. So again you can see that this equation is in the form of distributive law as A into B minus C, and A into B minus C is what? A into B minus A into C. Firstly you have to learn all the laws, then only you will be able to solve this type of questions. Okay, so here A is 7, B is 50 and C is 2. Okay, so now we can write this as this, right? Okay, so A into B is there, so A into B means 7 into 50 minus A into C means 7 into 2. Okay, now 7 into 50 is what? We can directly multiply this 7 into 5, so 7 5s are and 7 zeros are 0, 7 2s are 14, and 350 minus 14 is what?